Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, today I came up with a very good news for all of you. That is, if are you resided in outside of Kolkata? Are you looking for a career opportunity? Do you have any career gap in your CV? Are you thinking that from where I can start my career? So guys, this good news is for you because we are going to start our new centers in Bangalore. From 3rd November onwards, it will be started in Bangalore. So guys, if you are interested to make your career, to build your career, you can communicate with us. Our centers are located in Marathalli and BTS layout. Our first physical center is located in Marathalli, and the address of Marathalli is 99 Springboard, Bengaluru, Mahadevpura, Outer Ring Road, and our another center is located in BTS layout. Apart from that, we are going to start our another centers in Koramangala, JP Nagar and Indira Nagar. So guys, don't waste time. It's high time to get the opportunity to work with us, to get training from our side. Communicate with me, and whatever information you need, I will provide you. Kindly call me. I'm one call away from you. My number is going on in the description box, and kindly visit our centers. Our concerned person will be there, and they will help you to get to know more about us. So this is for now, guys. Kindly come down in our centers, get the proper information, be a part of PCS Global, make your future better, and build your future from PCS Global. It's our duty to help you. It's your duty to get the opportunity from our side. So bye for now, guys. Stay safe, be happy, and make others happy too. Have a very good day.